If you can survive the shoulder season, HVAC's an easy business. I mean, if you're just running winter and and summer all year round, I mean, it really is not that difficult to win. When I bought that plumbing company, we had to cut a decent portion of the remodel work, right? We've hired some ex-Hoffman employees. They're very, very good salespeople, and they understand the focus on service, whereas before, the old employees really, we've been trying to meld them and train them into that kind of service sales mentality. It's been difficult. And so now we have the people in the right places, and we're starting to just see like, hey, we're selling tankless today, a tank tomorrow, boom, repipe the next day. Like it's starting to the ball is starting to roll. It feels good.